Right, we're starting on the cold roof bit today. So I'm going to pull this gutter up. We'll do the gutter first. This is where I was showing you the other day about. That's their outlet. That's just. Oh, that doesn't even. Oh bloody hell! So, how is that watertight? It's not. It's not watertight. There's no upstand in the corner. What a bloody joke. Right, this blue bit you can see in the middle here, that I don't believe, I think that's just glue on that. It is, yeah. They're just not, it's been sat like that for months. Wow. Oh, that's really not friendly, is it?
No, just carry on, mate.
Yeah, just get it up. Do you know what? I think that's been glued down when it's been wet.
It's just like stuff.
They may as well use fucking toffee. Or honey. And that's the same, is it? That's just a joint. There's not even a joint on there, is there?
Yep, no, just need to see the timber.
Bloody hell. Right, well, let's line this bit first. Then we'll take this triangle out.
Yeah.
And we'll do from there. Getting in here done today.
I'll do that up.
Alright, we'll just
push it back down.
Just plop it back down because
we'll get to that later.
Yeah.